Big old Buick 1970 Buick Electra 225 custom convertible. 455 underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic transmission, be a turbo hydromatic 400. Power steering, power brakes, AC equipped. Now as far as the AC, compressor will turn on and off with the control switch on the dash. I did not have it blow cold though, so may need a little attention, possibly a charge. Let you take a look at the front bumper slash grille. Paint on this car shows well. There's a few imperfections along the way. I'll show you one I did notice in the rear. Fire red would be the original color of this car. Has undergone a repaint along the way, but it is a paint code 75 interior, also red vinyl interior, and that appears that it could be original. Now if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, check out the interior, engine bay, trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, phone number to call us, 507-386-1726. Take a peek at this interior. The original seat could have been reupholstered on the back here, judging by the vinyl looking at it. Take a look at the front. Appears to be free of rips, tears, holes. Dash appearing stock. Does still have the stock radio in the correct position, but in the glove box you will find an aftermarket AM/FM cassette player that does work. Does have a power top, as you can see, white vinyl. We're going to run that up here at the end of the video so you can check that out too. Now, the one spot, a little bit of a scuff, when it's talking about imperfection in the paint, you see a little bit of touch up there and a little scuff in that rear quarter. Again, not real noticeable. Kind of wanted to point it out. Still be a great car to take to any of your local shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins. Once again, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see Chick Norton, Tulsa. This is an Oklahoma car, FYI. Check out the rear bumper, chrome condition. Interesting spot. We have the backup lights and the tail lights built in between the trunk and that rear bumper. Still pictures, once again, check out the underside, interior, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you there. One little nick here too, if you look down right there. Of course, the fender skirts on the Electra. Some of the service work that was recently done on this also, give you a little bit of a rundown. Control arm bushings were replaced, ball joints, also sway bar link, front wheel cylinders, brake shoes. Was some recent service history done to it. All right, power windows, and the power windows do work at all 4 switches on the driver's side, and then also where the passenger positions would be. Tilt column, wipers did work. Like I said, the radio in the dash also will work. Excuse me, radio in the glove box, not the dash. Let's start it up. And as you can see, the odometer states 61,391. Cannot confirm or deny if that is actual miles. Once the vehicle is sold, it will not stay on the title. Becomes exempt. I can tell you it does have a numbers matching tranny and believed to be the original engine in it, so it wouldn't surprise me if that is the correct miles and accurate miles in this car. Take a look at the dash. Also in nice shape. Wipers do work, and I do want to show you, it does have a power seat here, and power seat, I did have working. You can see it go forward. So forward and backward, tilt also works. So power seat also working in this car. Door closes nicely, fits well. Slip around to the back. what you'd expect out of a stock 1970 455 underneath the hood. No crazy exhaust, wild cam, anything like that. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to run up. Well, first of all, let's check out the engine bay. Let's pop the hood open, then we'll put the top up so you check that out. So let's check the engine bay first. There it is, 455, 4-barrel, in power steering, power brakes, AC, compressor will kick on and off. Not had it low flow. Here's all the components are there still. Arch wall fittings, as you can see. And you'll be able to see every angle of that engine bay. In with the still pictures, probably over 100 pictures of this car online. All right, we're gonna pause this one more time. Let me get the convertible top up and we'll check out the white vinyl top.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we go, the top up. So first of all, check it out above the windshield, how nice it fits. Nice and snug. Power top worked flawlessly. Went up as it should. Fit very easily. With the latches locking in. Rear glass window. As you can see, nice and clear. I did not see any rips, tears, holes in the top. Not even discolored really in any places. Gonna serve the purpose if you need to put it up, keep you out of the rain, maybe keep the sun off your back. So convertible top, also in nice shape. There you go, 1970 Buick Electra 225 custom convertible. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate.